So I already have the R4, which is a nice flat thing here. However, I have found, at least with my style of carpentry, that I need some flexibility also as I start out my journey on being a carpenter or woodworker. And so I picked this thing up at the Menards 15% off bag sale so that I can be a little more mobile with my Kreg jigs and my attempts to do that stuff. So it's kind of showing you, it comes with some, you know, plugs. It comes with some screws, some starter screws as well. And of course, it comes with the hex key, a drill bit, collet, a drill, and then of course the device itself, which you put the little clamp in, the Kreg clamp right there, and it clamps right in, fits in real nice and snug, and you go to town on what you're going to need to do. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and do some pocket holes. Got it all set up here. Simple as that. Okay, do another one here. The objective is not to put a hole through the other side because you want some of that meat to go through there. Let's just do this again, just clear it out. Okay. Alright, so we're good here. Before I move anything, I like to use my portable shop vac here from DeWalt. Just like to maintain the tools for as long as we can. So, I don't know if you can see that there, but got some pocket holes right in there now. So we're going to go down here and put them in